Hi there. Welcome back to our next session on Microsoft SQL Server. In this session we will learn about the querying multiple tables or simply joins. Let's start our session. The MS SQL Server joins clause is used to combine records from two or more tables in a database. A join is a means for combining fields from two tables by using values common to each. There are different types of joins available in MS SQL Server. Inner join, left join, right join, full join, self join, and Cartesian join. Now let's see inner join. The inner join keyword selects records that have matching values in both tables. You can understand by the given pic that demonstrate inner join. You can also see syntax of writing join query. We will see an example of each type at the end of the session. Now let's see left join. The left join keyword returns all records from the left table, table 1, and the matched records from the right table, table 2. The result is null from the right side, if there is no match. Watch the image and syntax on your screen. Microsoft SQL Server, right join. The right join keyword returns all records from the right table, table 2, and the matched records from the left table, table 1. The result is null from the left side, when there is no match. Watch the picture and syntax. Microsoft SQL Server, full join. The full outer join keyword return all records when there is a match in either left, table 1, or right, table 2, table records. You can see the syntax on your screen. Microsoft SQL Server, self join. A self join is a regular join, but the table is joined with itself. Microsoft SQL Server, cross join or Cartesian join. The SQL cross join produces a result set which is the number of rows in the first table multiplied by the number of rows in the second table if no where clause is used along with cross join. This kind of result is called as Cartesian product. Let's understand all the stated joins with example. Watch the example carefully. Hope you liked the video. We will get to know more topics in our upcoming sessions. Till then, thank you.